I'm Las Vegas personal injury attorney Michael Becker. Here are 3 key things to know about collision insurance in Nevada. 1. Collision insurance covers your car repair bills following a car accident after the deductible is met. And if your car gets totaled, collision insurance will pay out the fair market value of the vehicle. And it does not matter whether you or someone else was at fault for the car accident. 2. Collision insurance differs from comprehensive car insurance, which covers property damage to vehicles caused by vandalism, theft, hail, arson, animals, or other reasons unrelated to car accidents. And collision insurance also does not cover any medical expenses. And 3, collision insurance policies are optional. However, experts generally recommend purchasing collision insurance if the value of your vehicle exceeds the amount of collision insurance premiums you would pay over the next 5 years.